In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fairlight Audio Effects in DaVinci Resolve. We'll start by opening DaVinci Resolve and getting set up for audio work. Head to the Fairlight page, which is Resolve's dedicated audio workspace. Once you're there, open the effects library so you can see all the available audio processors. You'll find Fairlight's built-in effects like EQ, dynamics, de-esser, and reverb, alongside any third-party plugins you've installed. Take a moment to scan the categories so you know what's available before you begin. If you want to treat a single piece of audio, such as one interview clip or a specific sound effect, locate the effect you want in the library and drag it directly onto that audio clip on your timeline. As soon as you drop it, a settings window will pop up. This is where you tailor the effect to your needs. Make subtle adjustments first and listen for clarity, tone, and balance. A gentle touch usually preserves natural sound while solving problems like harshness or muddiness. Keep an eye on levels as you adjust. Maintaining healthy gain staging helps avoid distortion down the line. There's also a powerful track level approach when you want the same processing across multiple clips. Stay on the Fairlight page and display the mixer so you can see each track's controls. In the effects section of the track you want to process, click the plus button. Choose the effect you need and it will be inserted on that track. From now on, every clip placed on that track will pass through the effect, keeping your sound consistent. This is ideal for voiceover chains, dialogue tracks, or music beds where uniform processing saves time and keeps your mix organized. A simple planning tip is to group similar sounds on their own tracks so one track effect can serve them all. If you prefer to work in the edit page, you're covered there too. You can drag effects from the effects library straight onto clips while you're editing picture. The effect behaves the same way as it does in Fairlight, and you can always switch back to the Fairlight page later to refine settings more precisely within the audio-focused interface. To recap the workflow, use drag and drop onto a clip for targeted adjustments, use the mixer's effects insert for track-wide consistency, and remember, you can apply effects right from the edit page if that's where you're working. These methods are non-destructive, so you can revisit settings anytime as your mix takes shape. With these tools, you'll shape cleaner, more professional audio in DaVinci Resolve with confidence.